But do you think I should get her the candy? 'Cause she's kind of heavy. I think the petunias will suffice. Maybe.
Mustard?
Do what now?
You want the chili dog with mustard or without it?
Slather it on Sarge Love's mustard. Get in the fucking car. We're rolling. I thought you wanted the food.